One afternoon after school, Min noticed that Max was using their dad's printer. "What are you doing, Max?" she asked. "Hi, Min. I was just printing out multiplication tables to stick up near our desk." "What are multiplication tables, and how will we use them?" asked his sister. "Well, Min, remember in video 2.3.1 when we helped Mrs. Masters at school set up the desks in the classroom? There were 6 rows of 4 desks each, or 4 columns of 6 desks each. "I remember," answered Min. "We found that 6 lots of 4 is the same as 4 lots of 6, which equals 24. In maths," continued Max, "we can get so many lots of a number using addition, like we did when we counted the desks. But this method can be very slow as the numbers get bigger. Multiplication is a much faster method, where 4 lots of 6 equals 24 is written 4 times 6 equals 24. In maths, this is called a multiplication sign. As we discovered with the desks, when we multiply numbers together, the result is the same no matter the order. So, 4 times 6 equals 6 times 4, or 3 times 5 equals 5 times 3, or 7 times 2 equals 2 times 7. "But Max," asked Min, "without adding the numbers, how do you know that 6 times 4 equals 24? Or how do you know what 3 times 5 or 2 times 7 is?" "Good question, Min. That is where multiplication tables come in. Have a look at this page I just printed out after Googling multiplication tables. It has the 2 times, 3 times, and the 4 times tables on it. The 2 times table shows the numbers from 1 to 10 being doubled, that is, being multiplied by 2. For example, you can see here that 2 times 7 equals 14. The 3 times table shows the numbers from 1 to 10 being multiplied by 3. For example, you can see here that 3 times 5 equals 15. The 4 times table shows the numbers from 1 to 10 being multiplied by 4. For example, you can see here that 4 times 6 equals 24. I have just printed out all the times tables from 1 through to 10 so we can see the results of multiplying any one-digit number by another one-digit number or by 10. "That is excellent, Max!" exclaimed his sister. "And look, we can also use these tables to work out how to share or divide a bigger number into equal smaller ones. I mean, if you had 36 lollies in a packet that you wanted to share equally with 4 friends, you can see here that you would give them 9 lollies each, because 4 times 9 equals 36. "That's correct, Min," replied Max. "We call that division, and we say 36 lollies divided by 4 friends equals 9 lollies each. And in maths, we write 36 divided by 4 equals 9. This is called a division sign. Just one last thing about these multiplication tables. Dad told me that when he was our age, he used to look at his multiplication tables every day, and soon he knew them without even looking, making multiplication and division a lot quicker. We should do that too, Min. Why don't you Google multiplication tables and have a good look at them? Now you can watch this video again or try the quiz and look at the chart that comes with this video.